Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig for you guys. I am wearing a wig from Neflyonwigs. I am wearing their fake scalp bob wig. So if you are interested in all the details of this hair, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm not 100% sure if I pronounced that right. It could be Neflyon or Neflyon. I'm not really sure. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this wig. Alright y'all, so I am wearing their fake scalp Swiss lace bob wig. It is a 13 by 6 lace front. The texture is straight, length is 14 inches. Hair color is the natural color, 150% density. And it does come with baby hair and a pre-plucked natural hairline. The specifics on this wig, what I really want to get into is pretty much the fake scalp and the transparent, pretty much invisible lace, you guys. This wig came to like ready to wear. You just need a little bit of styling like I'm doing here. Now let me tell you guys how I messed up. I did not realize that this wig was kind of like, I think I want to call it asymmetrical. I think that's right. But anyways, I needed to just part it on the side, and I ended up doing a middle part, and then I realized that the hair was uneven, so I redid this whole thing. So what you see me doing here is pretty much how I would lay my wigs, very flat, just using some mousse, a little bit of my hot comb to lay it down like I'm doing right here. And that's pretty much all you would need with this wig. If you don't have a hot comb, you still could just lay it with some mousse and just, you know, tie it up a little bit. So right here is when I noticed, I was like, well, that's not even. And I really wanted to wear it how I saw it online. And so I just switched the part like I'm doing here. And to give myself a little bit more of a natural hairline, I went on ahead and plucked a little bit more, probably another minute or so, not long at all, just right on the side like I'm doing right here. So as you can see, the knots are bleached. This wig cap is super stretchy, you guys, and it's pretty much made to fit any skin tone. They also give you a detachable elastic strap, just in case you want to, you know, take advantage of that or use it, so you don't necessarily have to use any kind of adhesive to lay your wig down. So I typically use my lace tint for all of my wigs, but I didn't this time just to show you guys how it would lay without any kind of tint, no foundation or anything like that. And it actually doesn't even fit my head, you guys, but since this is a side part, I was like, it's all good. I've been there, done that with wigs not fitting my big old head, so it was not a big deal. So yeah, so here I'm just going to use a little bit of my freeze spray. I don't know why I keep saying a little bit. I use a generous amount of my freeze spray. I love doing this method. It's so much faster than using the glue, and you don't really need to use any kind of like hard adhesive or like super sticky, I don't know the word, adhesive with this wig, because it already lays pretty flat and that lace is transparent. So that is a major plus. So yeah, you guys, this hair, let me get into the hair really fast again. The hair is super thick. I'm gonna tell you guys again. Okay, I don't want to say super thick, but it's thick enough like for a bob wig. I have come across some bob wigs that are pretty thin, and you're like, oh my god, what the heck. You have to make sure your natural hair, your hair underneath, whatever, is like cornrowed or something like that, or else you will see all the bumps and lumps and all that kind of stuff. But this wig, like, she got some movement to her, and she got some thickness to her, which I loved. I was not expecting this, so that was like a shock, but I loved it anyway. So here, you guys, I was like having a moment with this wig during like right here. I'm adding my wax stick, and then I'm gonna hot comb. I'm gonna flat iron it down like so, and then I'm gonna do this kind of like section by section, and this helped me to get the top part a little bit flatter because the hair is just thicker than I expected, and it helped a lot. So I was really going through it. But as I started to finish up with the styling, it was growing on me. Like, I was smiling right there because I was like, okay, I'm kind of cute. But yeah, so if you are looking for just like I don't even want to say a basic wig, but to me bobs are like pretty basic because you just don't need to put that much effort into them and you look like chic in no time. And they work for so many occasions. You could even take this wig to someone and have them cut it maybe a little bit more angled for you, or you know, just put a little bit more of your touch on it if you wanted to. But it just works for different things, whether it's an everyday mom who just wants to look put together all the time like myself, or the office, or you know, if it's a special occasion, put some curls in it and just, you know, you just look put together. And I love a wig that can be used multiple times for multiple different occasions and doesn't take a lot of work. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I just don't want to have to deal with anything that takes a lot of work, and this wig from Neflyonwigs does not. So also, they take care of the bleach knots for you, the hairline. It's comfortable. Even though it didn't fit me all the way, the wig was still super comfortable. Breathable scalp, so you're not sweating underneath your wig or anything like that. And this HD lace is freaking amazing. So that's the main things. That's the hardest things whenever it comes to a wig, and they have taken care of all of that for you. So if you're someone who just doesn't want to fool around with that, you would probably, I'm not even gonna say probably, you will definitely love this wig. So I'm gonna let you guys finish watching me style this hair and just laying it down a little bit more, and then I have just a little bit towards the end of just my initial, I guess a good initial review for you guys and how I was feeling after wearing this wig. So keep on watching, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on here really quickly and just give you guys a couple of thoughts about this wig. So I, for the life of me, just could not figure out why my whole look was not working. Here's the thing, I rarely wear bobs like this style because I just don't know if they look the best on me, and I always feel like that like initially, and then I grow to love the style. It's typical me. The wig itself, like out the box and everything like that, ready to wear, I was like, this gonna be easy. Throw it on and call it a day. Like, I'm not gonna have to do a whole bunch of styling, this, that, and the other. And then when I like kept having to like style and add setting lotion and this and that, I was like, okay, something is off, something is not clicking. I was just like, maybe it's me, but maybe it's the wig. I really didn't know. So then I went downstairs and I finished my makeup and I changed, of course I changed my shirt again because like maybe it's my shirt. I was just like, something is not right. So I kind of realized, and I say this every time I wear a bob style, I don't know about the length. I'm always just like, oh, the length, because I don't know, like with my face shape, I just don't know if this like really suits me. Like the length on this really suits me, for one. Not only was it the length of it, because I was like, okay, I can get down with this side. I was like, I could grow to love it. I think it's gonna be okay, because I thought about bringing it up a little bit, but then I said, you know what, I think it's this. The thing is, I had to put a little bit of a curl on this side because this side is not angled, like it's not super sharp in my opinion, and I think that's what I was kind of looking for. But I'm okay with not having it, period, because I'm tempted honestly to just cut this little bit off, like right here, so that it's even all the way around. Like I said, I think it was me, you guys. I think I'm just not used to it, but I'm like I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror kind of because I'm not used to it, and I feel like a grown-up, you know, like I'm going to somewhere important, very adultish place. I don't know. Anyways, besides that little everything that was going on in my head, I just want to tell you guys, this wig is definitely ready to wear right out of the box. You don't have to pluck if you don't want to pluck. The knots are bleached. The hairline is like ready to wear. The lace is transparent, it's invisible, so that is major key right there, major plus. And I'm just like, those are the hardest things, so anything else can be figure outable. But yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.